wish to tell about a previous conversation in ASL, you generally reenact the entire conversation. You take on both roles, your part and the person you were talking to, by shifting your body and your eye gaze. You then repeat the entire conversation exactly as it happened. In English, we generally just sum up the conversation unless we find the exact words particularly important. Even then, we are generally selective about how much dialogue we include. For example, if I have a conversation in English and my friend said, "Coffee Bean is way better than Starbucks." And then I said, "No way, Starbucks is better. They have pumpkin spice lattes." Now, if I was going to tell you about the conversation, I'd probably say, my friend said that Coffee Bean is better than Starbucks. But I told her that Starbucks is better because they have pumpkin spice lattes. Okay, now, if I was going to tell you about the conversation in ASL, the conversation would go like this. Now, that is the way the conversation really went. But because I'm the one retelling, I have the opportunity to add my own emphasis to tell you my side of the story or my perspective on the conversation. So maybe my view is that my friend was very cocky and I was a little more polite than I was. In that case, I would sign the following.